Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Super Easy Math. Today's math problem of the day says angles R and S are congruent. Line segments AC and AB are not congruent. What type of triangle is triangle ABC? Well, I'm going to make sure I am sure and clear on the angles and the areas, the line segments that they're explaining are congruent. Well, angles R and S are already marked for us, and I can see them with those arcs and then the letters right inside. So the problem explains that they are congruent. So numerically, they have the same angle measure is what they're explaining to us. Then the second sentence says line segments AC and AB are not congruent. So I can see that as far as our triangle goes, they're explaining that this length is not the same as this length. The next sentence asks, what type of triangle is triangle ABC? So the first thing I'm going to point out is I know that this angle measure has to be the same as what's on this side, because whenever you're dealing with two intersecting lines, the opposite angle measures are the same. Similarly, I know that this angle measure is the same as this, okay? So opposites are the same going in both directions. Well, with that in mind, they already told us in the very first sentence that angle R is the same as angle S. So what my point is here is to explain that this and this I know are the same. Well, I know also that the problem told us that this line and this line are different lengths. So I know that this angle C isn't going to end up being the same as the angle measures down here. They would have to be the same all around, like an equilateral triangle, for that to work. So because of that, my conclusion here is because these two angle measures the same, and I know this one is different, then I know that this line and this line is going to be the same length, but I know this one is not. So this is a triangle that falls into the category of an isosceles triangle. I used to teach that isosceles was kind of like an ice cream cone. Think about an ice cream cone that has a point at the bottom. That's a pretty good representation of an isosceles triangle, assuming you're considering just a flat version of it, not the fact that it's 3D and has depth. But the problem in the picture here is just a wider version of an isosceles triangle. So the answer to today's math problem of the day is isosceles. Guys, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It'll make sure you get more notifications of my math problems of the day. And as always, here's tomorrow's math problem of the day. See if you can solve it before I do. Then head over to supereasymath.com and click on math videos. Once you're there, you can have access to all of my videos where I teach everything in order with notes the way you need it.